Hello students, today we are going to start with unit 5, that is simplification of mathematical expressions. Now children, first you need to know what is mathematical expression. What you can see here is a group of numbers and you can see the 4 symbols here. The 3 symbols here, the symbol of division, the symbol of addition and symbol of subtraction. You know there is one more symbol, that is the symbol of multiplication. So children, what is a mathematical expression? It is just a combination of numbers and the 4 basic operations which are addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Now, simplification means to simplify it or to make it easy. As you can see that here are some operations. So when we apply those operations and bring a simple answer, that is known as simplification. Okay. Now children, in this chapter we have to follow a certain sequence of simplifying the expression. Okay. That is D mass. Okay. Now here D mass stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition and S stands for subtraction. So children, this decides the sequence of operations which we are going to apply to simplify a mathematical expression. Okay. First of all, in any expression we have after division will come to multiplication, after multiplication will come to addition and after addition will come to subtraction. Okay. Now let's see how we'll solve it. First of all, you can see here we have subtraction, we have addition, again addition, then we have division. So whatever is given to us first, we are not going to solve that. We are going to do according to this sequence. That means first we have to start with division. So we'll note down 54 minus 3 plus 4 plus. Still here we'll note down and we are going to do the division first. So 9 divided by 3, you all know, will get 3. So children, we have done division here. Now after division comes a turn of multiplication. Now can you see multiplication here? No. That means there is no need to do multiplication. Now we'll come to addition because after multiplication comes addition. So first of all we'll add. In your previous classes you have learned children that we can add only those numbers which have plus sign before that or there is no sign before that. Okay, just keep this thing in mind. We cannot add a number which has minus sign before it. Okay, so which numbers will be added? 54, no sign before 54 means it is plus sign. Okay, then 4 has plus sign before it, so we'll add 4. 3 has plus sign before it, so we'll add 3. The number which has minus sign will be written afterwards because subtraction will be done later on. Always keep this in mind. A number which has minus sign before it will never be added. Okay. Now we'll add 54 plus 4 is 58 plus 3. Again we have to do. If there are 2 additions, we'll do 1 addition at a time and second addition in next step. Now 58 plus 3 will give you 61 minus 3. Now at the last addition is done. Now we have to do subtraction at the last. So 61 minus 3 will give you 58. So children, you can see here that a big mathematical expression has been simplified and you have made it easy to answer, that is 58. This is called simplification of mathematical expression. The things which you have to keep in mind, you have to follow this rule. And while addition and subtraction 2 are there, first you will add and you will add only those numbers which have addition sign before it or there is no sign before it. Okay, the number which has minus sign will be subtracted later on. Now children, 28 minus 2 into 5 divided by 5 plus 24. Okay, so again the rule to be followed is D mass. That means we'll start with division. Rest of the things will be copied as it is. In one step we will do only one operation and rest of the things will be copied as it is. So we write 28 minus 2 into Okay, what we have to do? We have to do division of 5 and 5. So 5 divided by 5 will give you 1. So we write it as 1 plus 24 will be copied as it is. Now division is done. Now is the turn of multiplication. So which two numbers have multiplication? 2 and 1. So what we'll do? 28 minus 2 into 1 will give you 2 again, plus 24 copied as it is. So children, multiplication is done. Now what we have to do? Now we have to do addition. Okay. Now which numbers will be added? A number which has no sign and a number which has plus sign. That means we will add 28 and 24. 2 has minus sign, so it will be subtracted later on. So we'll add 28 and 24. It will be 8 plus 4, 12, carried 1, 2 plus 1, 3, plus 2, 5. 52 minus 2. Now addition is done. Now we'll do subtraction at the last. 52 minus 2 will give you 50. So we have simplified this expression and the answer is 50.